G'day guys, you're back with MiracleMAX. Yep, you guessed it, it's time for another cabin filter replacement. This time it's in a Mitsubishi Mirage 2016 model with a 1.2 litre engine in it. Let's get into it. A fairly basic one here, just reach and open our glove box, and as usual we have a anchor point over here, a hinge point, and one over here as well. We simply push those in so that we can get the glove box to come down. Might take a little bit of force, and don't lose all the contents of the glove box. If you want to completely remove your glove box, it's just a matter of pulling back on those hinges. Whoops, that came out pretty quick, didn't it? One over here, and of course one over here. To access the cabin filter once the glove box is removed, it's a matter of removing this here panel. So push down on this little tab here, as you can see over here, but I've found it easier if I stick my finger around the back of it just to help push it out. And then the little panel comes out, no problemo. Push him to one side, you can see the little cabin filter here. I've also found it easier if you just use a pair of pointy nose pliers to remove the cabin, because you can't get your fat meat nuggets in there at the same time. Pop him out. It's actually looking pretty clean, but we'll do it anyway. This is the first time it's ever been done. This lady does park her car under a tree, etc., so we'll get it replaced for her as according to the manufacturer's specifications. Not a sponsor, but there's the number if you're interested. As usual, you've got to have the filter facing the correct direction. You can see here the arrow faces down. That's the direction of the flow, and of course that's the way that the fan is pulling the air down. So we simply turn our filter sideways and chuck him in the slot there. Everybody's happy. Then we get our little panel lid, slide that into place, just the two little legs over this side. Make sure that they're in correctly. There it goes. And then push. That wonderful little click that you like to hear. And it's just a matter of putting your glove box back in. And of course, to do that, you just simply line up those hinges there with the pins and give it a really good shove. There we go. Those lovely clicking noises. Then of course, make sure all your goodies go back in your glove box and then shut the door. And with that satisfying click, the job is now done. So that was a fairly quick one, wasn't it guys? A cabin filter in a Mitsubishi Mirage 2016 model. I hope you enjoyed this video and you get some benefit from it. Don't forget to subscribe, give it a like, and feel free to comment down below. Back to the service for me, so I will catch you later.